Okay, can I quickly mention to you how to teach children about taking personal responsibilities when they're in the public place, and especially when it has to do with their hygiene in the area of cough and sneeze. We all know what the environment is saying today. The weather is hazy, dusty, and whether you like it or not, you're going to have to sneeze. You're going to have to cough at one time or the other, whether you are prepared for it or someone around you somewhere is emitting, pushing out something from their nostrils or their mouth. So what you need to teach children, all right, or if you have any child watching this, is number one, you have to be considerate. You have to consider the people around you. Fine, nobody prepares to sneeze, nobody prepares for cough, but when you do it the first time and then you already know that I would inhale something and my lungs will be irritated, we say, parents, please give to your child handkerchief or tissue to hold back, all right, to hold back, or you teach them to use their elbow. That was what we did in class today. We were able to talk to children on limiting the spread of bacteria, the spread of these viruses, and all of that, because you never can tell which one is actually an irritant to the lungs, whereby the lungs is just trying to cough and sneeze it out, and you can't tell which one already carries those infectious diseases, communicable diseases. So, but whichever one it is, we tell children, and I'm saying, parent watching this, listening to me right now, you have to help your child with an handkerchief or a tissue to hold back, and not just an handkerchief and tissue in case they are not close to where in case there isn't an handkerchief or a tissue, the elbow works. Okay, because when they sneeze by using their elbow, they control and curtail the spread of these whatever I don't know what name to call it, but they control it and it is curtailed. So as parents, okay, I know some of us parents too, we cough into the air, we sneeze into the air, all right, I will pardon you, but you have to learn something new every day and let your child know that number one is an act of inconsideration when you sneeze and cough into the air atmosphere when you have people around you. Is an act of it's not hygienic, it's not safe for people, when you spread the flu and all of that. So let's try and be considerate, and then let's try and then put some hygiene into practice. Remember, if your child doesn't have what's it called, handkerchief, and there is nothing like tissue, remember the elbow, and after which hands must be washed. We have so many people who are carrying all manners of unhygienic stuff around. Hands must be washed. And please tell children, limit the way you shake people, limit your physical contact with people, because you never can tell what you're picking up from someone else. May wellness and safety be our portion. I love you.